Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you can be notified as soon as I upload a new video. I've always dreamed of having a beautiful custom walk-in closet for a long time. I know they can get very pricey and things not turn out the way you hope for, like picking out a wrong closet system for your space or not knowing how to start. I'm so excited to share with you guys what we've been working on and the amazing company that we highly recommend to start on your dream closet. Many of you guys have been requesting to see my closet, so this one's for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you love to see makeover videos and let me know what you want to see next. I wanted to give you an overview of what our master closet looked like before, and as you can see, there's a good amount of space that wasn't being used to its full potential. Bare walls were there that could have had more shelving for storage. The wire shelving was nice, but it didn't give us the clean and organized feel once all of our clothes were in there. Our clothes were mixed in together, we couldn't find what we were looking for, storage boxes and miscellaneous things were on the ground. Overall, it didn't have the tidy look or organized feel for us. This is when Modular Closets came to the rescue. I'm so excited to be working with them for today's video because I knew they would make my dream closet a reality. We started off removing all of the clothes from the closet, then we removed all of the wire shelving using the drill, and then we were going to fill up those holes after. We each worked on a unit to save time, and looking at all the pieces, it makes you think, how are you going to build it all without professional help, right? Each unit has directions that were really clear and simple to follow, so we were finished with the assembly within 2 days. Because of so many units we had for the closet, this took a lot of time to assemble. We were done with half of the units at 3 in the morning because we wanted to get it done as soon as possible. We finished the rest the next day, but if you're not looking to do it yourself or don't have someone to help you, I highly recommend hiring a handyman. With this closet system, you can have it sitting on the ground or mounted on the wall, which is what we did. It will get heavy doing it yourself, so you will need help if you choose to mount it. While assembling each unit, we instantly noticed all of the pieces were very well made, nothing had chips or scratches, everything was delivered perfectly. Another great thing about Modular Closets is that they offer you free shipping delivered straight to your door. After we were done building everything, we set it up in the closet the way it's supposed to look. That way when we're ready to mount it, we know which piece goes where after the holes are filled up. The next step was assembling the drawers, and my favorite part was picking out these knobs. I found them at HomeGoods and knew they were perfect for the closet. This set was $14.99 for 6, which is a total score. What I love about these drawers is that they come with the option to make 2 holes on each side of the drawer or 1 in the middle. We went with the 2 holes, used a drill, and added the knobs. Each drawer came with 2 silver pull knobs, but I wanted knobs that represented more of my style. A great way to update any space is changing up the knobs if you're looking for a quick update on a budget. Now that the drawers were finished, it was time to attach them to the closet. Having extra drawers in my closet for extra storage space was very important to me because I know it would help me get more organized and actually know what I have to get ready with. Here's one more look of the before, and there's a lot of space that could be used for something, so I wanted to take full advantage of it. And here's the after. Absolutely love our new closet, you guys. This is better than I imagined and could not be happier with the results. As soon as I walk in, it's very inviting and everything looks and is well organized because of the space for each thing. I'm very thankful to have worked with Modular Closets for my dream closet because they're seriously the best. If you're looking to have a custom closet or have been wanting one, all you do is go to their website, which is modularclosets.com, send your measurements and someone will reach out to you immediately. We worked with a really nice designer who gave us a layout of how our closet would look like with the measurements we sent. We tweaked it here and there until we had everything we wanted. For example, I wanted extra storage space on my side for folded clothes, winter and summer accessories, etc. So we added 2 drawer towers on my side instead of making it all hanging clothes. It's 100% customizable, so you can pick what you want. A lot of my decorative items are from HomeGoods, and if you have any questions where anything is from, let me know in the comments. I'll respond to you as soon as I can. They also have accessories to add in your closet, so I added a belt rack for my Rhinestone belts. I really like how they can come out of the closet to help you see them better when getting ready, then push you right back in. Here I have a pull-out chrome hanger we added on each of our sides so we can pick out our clothes for the day. Little details like this are very convenient to help you get ready. My husband has many ties, so we picked out 2 tie racks for him and I put one on the bottom for room to grow, and here he can also add his belts, which is a win-win. One of my new favorite things is this laundry space I added. This was just a bare wall and I knew I didn't want my laundry baskets to be on the floor, so I made this unit into the laundry section, one for light clothing and one for dark. I also turned that awkward wall in the middle part of the closet into a towel storage space. This space was meant for shoes, but we don't wear shoes in the house, so this alternative worked perfect for us. This concludes my new closet tour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to get started on your dream closet. A huge thank you to Modular Closets for making this dream a reality. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Take care.